Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I am going to be showing you some places in your house that you are most likely forgetting to clean or just avoiding. Either or, we're not cleaning it on a daily basis. So if you are new here, my name is Brianne and I am just really excited to be bringing you this cleaning video, you guys. I do tons of cleaning motivation, organization motivation I have coming up, and if you follow me over on Instagram, you'll know I have some home DIY coming up and I'm so excited about it. So if that is the type of content you are into, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and hit your bell so you're notified when I post new videos, which is twice a week. I'm really excited because this video is also in collaboration with one of my friends over on Instagram. Her name is Jenna and she goes by Megamom on Instagram and YouTube. She is a mom to 2 little kiddos and she likes to do motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning motivation, and also vlogs. So if you're looking for some extra motivation, make sure that you go and check out her channel as she is sure to impress you and encourage you. I also love the fact that she uploads 3 times a week. So she's got all the motivation. So make sure that you go check out her channel after you're done watching mine. And if you're coming over from Jenna's channel, I want to be the first to welcome you. I hope you guys stick around a while and stay. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get cleaning together. I should also put a little disclaimer here. Please don't judge me for my house. It's been a while. No judgment allowed over on this channel. Okay, guys? Okay, cool. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, we're starting off in the kitchen doing some deep cleaning. We're gonna pull out this bad boy and see what's behind the stove, as I highly guarantee it's been a while since you've cleaned your stove. Let me know in the comments the last time you cleaned your stove. I honestly don't remember. For those of you that don't know, we're renting our house and we've been here a little over a year and I haven't cleaned this sucker since we moved in. So yeah, it should be interesting. And remember, no judging. Oh my goodness. So if you're new here, we have a mouse issue. Clearly, look at all of that mouse poop. That is disgusting. That is mouse poop. And that's an ant trap because we also have ants. There's hair, there's food, there's toys, all kinds of good stuff. So let's go ahead and clean this up. So this is a cleaning solution I'm going to be using in this entire video. I'm going to be mixing some water with bleach and Tide, of course wearing my gloves, especially when dealing with like the mouse poop. You're not supposed to vacuum mouse poop up, just so you know. I just learned that the hard way, but yeah, we're gonna bleach it and go from there.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Okay, so I got like all of the mouse poop picked up. I have it in that little trash can there and I'm going to throw that out immediately. And I'm just going to continue to wipe up the mess and try and get this clean, as it is so dirty. Like, look at the walls. It's just out of control.
Tonight we're running on the right track.
I'm grabbing a microfiber cloth now and I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides. And I have to admit, you guys, this bleach mixture is amazing.
I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. So call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing loud. Aren't you tired?
Here is the after.
Your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall.
All right, guys, the second place that you're probably forgetting to clean is behind your benches and your couches. So, yeah, we're gonna see what is behind here. Forewarning, if you don't know, I have a black dog, so I'm assuming there is dog hair everywhere, which is why I vacuum literally daily. I have a robot vacuum go every single day, otherwise there would be black dog hair everywhere. So let's go ahead and pull the bench out and then we'll do behind the couch after. All right, this is what we're dealing with. Look at all that dog hair. Wow. So let's do it.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got moonlight on your naked skin. Summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go? Stars align onto your face. Pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean. Yeah, in the empty body lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel. Yeah, in the empty body lies all the answers.
So now we're gonna do behind there.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memory
Alright guys, bringing you into my bedroom, the next place you are most likely forgetting to clean is your bed. So, I'm not talking your bed sheets, I'm talking your actual bed, the headboard, and all that kind of fun stuff. So let's go ahead and tackle that. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already for more cleaning, organization, and home DIY transformation videos.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
Alright guys, bringing you up high, I'm standing on my bed and we are going to tackle, dun 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 dun, the ceiling fans. It's probably been a while since you've tackled your ceiling fans, so let's go ahead and tackle these.
Do it all night, you're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cables.
Alright guys, the next place you are forgetting to clean, light switches. This is something I do every time people come over, is I clean our bathroom light switch, as that's the one that everyone uses. So my daughter's awake. We're gonna go ahead and start cleaning the light switches. For this one, I'm just using my Tiber River made in a bottle.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do, wanna stay here and let loose.
Alright guys, and for a little bonus tip here, the next thing you're probably forgetting to clean is your makeup brushes. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. For an everyday clean, I like to use Mary Kay's like brush cleaner. I'm not always faithful, not gonna lie. I don't do this every time, but ideally you should be. And then weekly, I like to do kind of a deep clean. And for that, I have this handy dandy mat. You can use Dawn dish soap or like any sort of dish soap. However, I'm allergic to dish soap, so I use the Time Wise bar. You can see it's full of makeup. It's all I use it for. And so you're probably sitting here thinking, how the heck do you do it? I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one first. You can see the brush.
Made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do, I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I
Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you go check out Jenna's video as well. I will have her channel and stuff linked in the description so you can go and see her 5 tips as well.